Hello everyone, I am Mohammed Zaki, Professor of Computer Science at RPI. Today I'm going to talk about some really exciting work we're doing within the RPI IBM HEALS project. HEALS stands for Health Empowerment by Analytics, Learning and Semantics, and it's a partnership between IBM and RPI, and we are part of the AI Horizons network. Now, what we're doing within HEALS is that we are developing the next generation of tools that combine machine learning, deep learning with semantics and knowledge graphs to enable healthy lifestyles. Our goal is to develop a personal health agent, an artificial intelligent agent that can learn from a user's data. It could be their activity data, their food logs, and so on. And the agent will be able to suggest to users, activities that they should be doing, healthy food alternatives, and so on. And our system is actually able to capture a user's, preferences, their likes, their dislikes, allergies, and so on. And it's able to customize its recommendations, for activities and diets based on the user's preferences as well as their health conditions, as well as maybe the guidelines, some health guidelines that they might have to adhere to. For example, if someone is pre-diabetic or diabetic, then there are guidelines from the American Diabetes Association, and those guidelines can be used to better inform the person to do healthy lifestyle choices. Let me actually show you an example of a demo system that we have built, and this is to suggest healthy choices for eating to a given user. And we call this the HEALS Health Coach. It's an app that runs on your smartphone, and it can give you advice about what you would like to eat. So this demo is being narrated by Nidhi Rastogi. She's a research scientist within the HEALS project.
Welcome to the HEALS Health Coach platform. Let's introduce you to Jennifer, one of the personas that uses Health Coach to inform her daily food choices. Jennifer was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes 15 years ago. She's recently started on regular insulin therapy. Upon her dietitian's advice, she's been using the Health Coach platform where she's been logging her meals for the past 30 days and adding dietary likes and dislikes. The system has also identified ADA guidelines that apply to her and automatically determine how well she's doing with them. One morning, based on her log, Health Coach prompts her to remember to eat breakfast today. She taps on click for more details and sees why. Since she is on constant insulin therapy, the ADA guidelines state that she should aim to maintain a consistent level of carbohydrate throughout the day. According to an analysis of her food log, the system has determined that over the last week, while she's been good at keeping her carbohydrate intake low, she's not been consuming much in the mornings for breakfast. Therefore, the suggestion here is that she focus on eating early in the day. Since Jen is used to having a light breakfast, she needs some inspiration on what to have. She queries the HEALS platform for breakfast suggestions that contain oats, since she's fond of them. So she asks, suggest a good breakfast with oats. Health Coach suggests several items for breakfast. These are based on her preferences, which are derived from her 30-day food log as well as her likes and dislikes. Behind the scenes, the system took her query and expanded it with her dietary preferences, nutrition goals, and constraints. Note that the expanded query would be different for someone else, such as for Bob, our other persona, and thus his results would be personalized for his preferences, medical condition, and dietary goals. Thank you.
Our work has recently attracted a lot of attention in the press. So you can see that on the left-hand side, we have a recent article in January that was run in the Tech Explorer magazine, and that talks about the personalized and healthy recipe system that we have developed. It's called the Food Rec system, and it was also recently presented at a conference. And then on the right hand side, you can see that we got attention also from the World Economic Forum. This is a blog on their, on the health, on the global health front, and it talks about how the recipe data set, the food KG and the knowledge graph and our recommendation system can help people tackle obesity and diabetes. So thank you all. Thanks.